Want to make your GoHighLevel website stand out? Instead of using a boring static background, let's add eye-catching animated GIFs using Canva. A moving background makes your site more dynamic, engaging, and modern. And the best part? It's super easy to do. Let me show you how. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and go to Sites Websites. Open your existing project or create a new one from scratch. Choose the section where you want to add a moving background. This could be your hero section, a banner, or even a full-page effect. Once you're in the editor, you're ready to create your animated background.
So guys, now that we're inside of GoHighLevel, to start building out a website, we would just come over here to the sites, and then we would come over here to websites, and then new website. And then if you want to, we can still choose one of GoHighLevel's templates just to make this a lot easier for us. So we can already have all of the bones all built out. So I'm just going to click right here and then continue. And now you can search for your niche right here. But for this example, let's just choose one of these templates right here. I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one. And now let's just wait for that template to load into our account. So now we have our website right here. Let's just go ahead and edit this home page, and I'm going to show you these 3 hacks. So
head over to canva.com, click Create a Design, and set a custom size. Use the search bar to find a background style that fits your brand. For example, modern blue abstract for a sleek, techie feel. Luxury real estate for high-end properties. Energetic gym workout for fitness brands. Click on the Videos tab to explore animated backgrounds. Drag the video onto your canvas and adjust it to fit perfectly. Once happy with the design, click Share, Download, and select GIF as the file format. This keeps the animation smooth while keeping file size manageable.
Instead of just having a regular old image right here as the background, instead of doing that, to make this website look a little better, we can add a GIF image to make this a moving background. So the way we can do that is just by using Canva, and you can just search for backgrounds right here. So I'm just going to type in blue background and then click on enter. And then if we go over here to the videos, you're going to have a ton of backgrounds that you can choose from. So for this example, let's just do this one, and let's just make this look big. So let's stretch this all the way over here. And now you don't want to download this as a video. You're going to want to download this as a GIF file. So if we go over here to share, and then we go over here to download, you're going to want to make sure where it says file type, it says GIF, and then we can just go ahead and download this. And now let's just wait for this to download, and I'm going to show you how to add this inside of GoHighLevel. So
now that your GIF is ready, head back to GoHighLevel and open your website editor. Select the section where you want to place the moving background. Click Background Image, BG Media. Upload and choose your GIF file. Once uploaded, click to apply it as the background. And just like that, your website instantly looks more lively. Pro tip: make sure the GIF loops seamlessly and isn't too distracting. A subtle movement works best.
So now that we have that downloaded, we can just click right here on the background image, and then we can come over here to where it says BG Media, and we can click on this icon, click on new upload, and we can just go ahead and upload that image right here. So let's just go ahead and wait for this to load. So here we go. Let's just go ahead and click on this, and just like that, that image is going to be added to the background of this website. So now if we preview this website, this is what the website now looks like. As you can see here, we have that GIF image in the background, and this is really making the website come alive.
One of the best things about this method is that you can tailor it to match your brand or business niche. Here are some ideas. Dentists. Use GIFs of smiling patients, dental tools, or a clean, modern office. Real estate. Add animations of luxury homes, city skylines, or real estate walkthroughs. Fitness. Use gym workout clips, running athletes, or a dynamic energy vibe. Spas and beauty salons. Soft, relaxing water ripples or minimalist luxury themes. Customize it based on your industry to make it more personal and professional. And that's it.
Alive. And Canva has a ton of backgrounds that you can choose from for a whole bunch of different types of colors. And not only can you add a background like one of these right here, but you can also add a background of people performing the service that the website offers. So for example, if we come over here, let's just go back, let's just go ahead and create a new website, and we can do something like dentist. So let's just choose this one. Let's customize this template. And now let's go back to Canva and let's get rid of this background. And we can come up here and just type in dentist and click on enter. And just like that, we're going to get a ton of videos that we can use on our website. So let's just choose one of these. images. I'm just going to do this one right here. Let's make this look better, and let's download this as a GIF. Now if we go back to GoHighLevel, click on the image and do the same thing. Click on this icon, upload that image, and now let's go ahead and click on this image, and just like that, the background is going to change again from a regular boring background to a moving background. Let's go ahead and preview the site and see what it looks like. So guys, here it is. Here's what it's going to look like, and having a moving image like this just makes the website look a lot better.
In just a few simple steps, you've transformed your GoHighLevel website from a static page to a visually engaging experience with animated GIF backgrounds. This small tweak can make a huge difference in user engagement and brand perception. Before you go, like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more GoHighLevel tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Got questions? Drop a comment below, I'd love to help. See you in the next video.